In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop your Mailchimp billing. Whether you're looking to switch to another service or simply want to take a break, following along with this guide will make the process smooth and hassle-free. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account. If you haven't done this already, head over to the Mailchimp website and enter your login details. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by the familiar dashboard, the starting point for all your Mailchimp activities. After logging in, I want you to focus on the top right corner of your screen where you'll find your profile icon. This is typically represented by your initials or a profile picture if you've uploaded one. By clicking on this icon, a drop-down menu will appear, offering various options related to your account settings. Here, you're going to select Account and Billing. This section is like the command center for managing all the nitty-gritty details of your account, including billing and subscription information. Now, within the Account and Billing area, you need to locate the Settings option. Clicking on Settings will reveal another set of options that are crucial for the next steps. Within these options, you'll find something called Manage My Plan. This is your gateway to understanding your current subscription details. It's a good idea to get familiar with this page because it provides full visibility into the features you're currently using and offers various management options for your plan. Scroll through this page until you land on the option labeled Pause or Cancel Plan. It's usually positioned towards the bottom, so take your time and ensure you don't miss it. Once you find it, click on it. This is where Mailchimp will guide you through a series of prompts to confirm your decision to cancel. It's important to carefully follow these steps, ensuring you're certain about each selection before moving forward. Mailchimp has a step where they ask you to provide a reason for canceling your subscription. This feedback is invaluable for them as it aids in improving their services. Choose the option that best matches your reason for cancellation. The next step involves confirming your choice to cancel. There might be a final confirmation pop-up to make sure that you're entirely sure about canceling your subscription. Go ahead and confirm your intention to proceed with the cancellation. To conclude the process, once everything is set, you'll receive a confirmation email in your inbox. This email is your official proof of cancellation and will generally include information about when your service will officially end. And that's it! You've successfully canceled your Mailchimp subscription. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide was helpful. If you found it useful, feel free to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more straightforward guides like this one. Have a great day.